Hi, Martin here from the Tech Heroes. Many of you will know me, and for those that don't, well, why haven't you been and visited? For the past 13 years now, the Tech Heroes have quietly been the go-to friends when neighbours in our community are struggling with tech. Maybe it's a slow computer, a virus, or simply how do I send this flipping email? Often, if it was a 2-minute job, we'd just do it for free, although chatting with me probably took another 10 minutes at least. But over those years, one thing became crystal clear. For many people, seniors or young alike, technology can be confusing, sometimes scary, and inaccessible without a helping hand. We like to think that we've been that helping hand in the local community, but we don't think that's fair. As many frequent visitors or those that have popped in recently have noticed, we've been building a classroom, and we'd like to turn that concept into something bigger. A free learning space, a place where anyone, no matter what their background, good skills, bad skills, wanting to learn skills, but they can learn essential IT skills completely free of charge. From maybe staying safe online to using Microsoft Windows, from Office suite applications like Word, Excel, to more practical skills like maintaining a gaming PC or even building a gaming PC, very popular with the youngsters now. But we need your help to make this a reality. We're aiming to raise, and it's a big number, 27,700, a mixture of hardware, production equipment and instructor wages, so that we can run a full year of the courses. So let's break that down. So we need 4,200 for 8 laptops, and that's for the students who have got desktop PCs. We don't want to be lugging them all in all the time, so we need the laptops there so that we can have the applications on there so that they can then learn and then take that learning home and make it a reality. We need £8,000 for components to be able to create gaming PCs and show people how to maintain those gaming PCs. But this is so that we can actually have those PCs for people to build, without them necessarily needing to buy a £1,000 gaming PC just to be able to go on the course. We'd also need 1,200 for a production quality camera and gear to record and potentially live stream lessons in the future. £300 for the necessary software licenses for editing the course, etc. And 14,000 to fund the salary of another member of staff so that we can offer the lessons for free, whilst keeping the workshop and the shop front operational. With this equipment and your support, we can launch free recurring classes all year long, both in person and in the future, hopefully online, for everybody in our community. So why help us? Well, for 13 years of consistent services, not always getting it right every time, we know that, but trying our best to fix and maintain tech and help out those that are in a fix at the time. We know the people. We've witnessed firsthand how intimidating technology can feel when you don't have someone patient and trustworthy to guide you. Hopefully we've been that place that you've been able to turn up to when everything else feels like it's falling apart. This is about long-term impact, not profit. Once up and running, this classroom will become a permanent community resource, skills, confidence and opportunities for anybody who needs it. And why now? And what your help means. Because we've created the physical space, the dream is within reach, but we just can't do it alone. The amount of money, you've just heard me say it there, we're a small business, it's out of our reach, but we want to make this a reality for everybody. If you believe that everybody, regardless of age, income or background, deserves a chance to learn digital skills safely and confidently, then please consider donating. Even £5 or £10 helps, and if you're in a position to help more, please consider it. It will make a difference to someone at some point in the future. and every donation helps us push closer to making this dream a reality. If you can, share this campaign with friends, family, local groups, community Facebook pages. Even one share helps more than you might think. With your help, we're not just giving money, we're giving opportunity, independence, and more importantly, confidence. So please help the Tech Heroes bring free IT education to life for the next year. Together, we can build a future where no one in our community feels left behind in today's digital world. Thank you from the bottom of my heart and my team, the Tech Heroes.